understanding the drone launch pad. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic: the drone launch pad. If you've ever wondered about drones and how they start their journey into the sky, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of drones and unravel the mystery of the drone launch pad. Before we talk about drone launch pads, let's understand what a drone is. A drone, also known as an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, is an aircraft without a human pilot on board. Drones can be as small as your hand or as large as an airplane, and they are used for various purposes including photography, delivery, surveillance, and more. Now, what's a launch pad? A launch pad is a platform used for the takeoff and landing of drones. It serves several crucial functions. 1. Protection. The launch pad protects the drone from debris, dirt, and uneven surfaces that could damage it. 2. Orientation. It helps in orienting the drone's positioning systems, ensuring a safe and accurate takeoff and landing. 3. Visibility. Brightly colored launch pads provide a clear visual target for drones, especially those using cameras for landing. Drone launch pads come in various shapes and sizes, and choosing the right one depends on your specific needs. Some are simple, flat surfaces, while others have more complex structures for specialized drones. They can be portable for field use or fixed for regular operations in a single location. Setting up a drone launch pad is usually straightforward. However, it's important to ensure that the pad is on a flat surface. It's clear of obstacles that could interfere with the drone. The pad is visible and marked if necessary for the drone's sensors or cameras. We hope this video has shed light on the intriguing world of drone launch pads. Whether you're a drone enthusiast or just curious about how these amazing machines take to the skies, understanding the role of a launch pad is fundamental. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you found this explainer helpful. Fly safely and see you in the next video.